16. Our topic is about fire detection using Node MCU. First, we need to see the need of the project. Why we should choose the fire alarm means fire alarms are very common nowadays and commonly installed in bank, shops, office. They detect the trigger and loud alarm to aware everybody. But if nobody is there at home, how to we can identify? So to inform the authority about fire accident, today we are building an IoT based fire alarm system which will only trigger an alarm but also send an email in the further process. Why in this we using Node MCU and flame sensor and with not having the buzzer we indicate using LED. A flame sensor is a device which is used to detect the presence of fire in its surrounding. There are many types of flame sensor available such as infrared and flame sensor. In this we using infrared sensor. We using the infrared flame sensor to detect the fire. Consists of a photodiode coated with black epitaxy layer which makes it sensitive to radiation with 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter. The flame sensor can detect fire up to distance of 100 centimeter with 60 degrees of angle of detection. This photodiode is based on 3 terminal YG1000 NPN for transistor. Every object including the fire emits some amount of infrared rays which are detected by the photodiode. This photodiode used to detect the change in voltage. If the voltage detected is 0, it gives digital output 1. So basically infrared is already in 1. If the fire detects it, it will come to 0 set and glows and sensor the sense to buzzer sound to an alarm. If it is 1, it doesn't show an alarm. That's all. Here we go into see the code. First of all, initially we are seeing the flame sensor input. The flame sensor input is 1. It cannot detect the fire. It means if lighters or any fire particles can observe in the atmosphere, it flame is converted into 1 to 0 state. So it alarms an output of some amount of time. So if a flame is low, it could cannot show an alarm. If it is high, it's shown flame detected. Now we see the output. After the code explanation, while uploading this code into the Node MCU, it is going dumping. Here in the serial monitor, it's showing flame not detected. While flaming the while flaming the infrared sensor, the LEDs grow. Then in that the flame detector in serial monitor window, it shows this. This is the detected flame. Okay, thank you, sir.